Okay, so I'm about to check out these welcome lights that a brand sent me. So I have a Ram outside. That's my truck. So I had them send me the Ram logo that's going to be shining on the bottom of the pavement out there. But you also have the options of a Mustang and the American flag. And the way you're going to swap out the... just to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure you can. Oh yeah, I'm sure you can see that on the camera. But it's going to be a lot bigger outside. But to switch this out, hit this little button here and pull this out. See, it's like a Ram logo. And that's how you're going to switch it out. And then, see this little button here. You're going to hit that, and it's the sensors on the front are what turns it on. You can see, since my hand is close to it, it's going to turn off. As soon as it goes away, it's going to turn on, off, on. So that's whenever you open and shut the door, that's how it's going to turn off and on. Okay, we're going to go outside. We're going to put it on my truck. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I forgot to mention before we go outside, it does come with the adhesive. And the way it's going to work, I'm going to turn these on. It just slides. It has a cover that slides on. And we're going to slide the cover on just like that. And then we are going to put the adhesive just like that. Okay, we're outside now. I got it installed in my truck. I know it's kind of hard to see. I need a better angle on it here. But this is where I have it installed on my door. And it's going to end up landing about here. So that's where I have it installed. And this is what it looks like. Pretty cool. I'm gonna close it. Open it back up. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And in a perfect size. But if this is something you're looking for, add a little style to your vehicle. They have all kinds of different ones. Obviously, I picked Ram for mine. But yeah, pretty cool. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.